Hi, this is Jeremy Brennan with Core Squared Software Solutions. Today I'm going to show you a very simple iPad application proof of concept that I wrote for aXelerate Solutions, who are in turn working for the King County government, which is the county government associated with the greater Seattle area. King County, like many other counties, have to do property assessments, so assessments of people's buildings or properties that they have to help them with tax value estimation. Every county does this, so they're currently trying to streamline the process. So instead of assessors walking around with an assigned list of properties and thus addresses, what we could do is digitize all of this information. Not only that, but part of the solution is sometimes when attempting to assess the value of a property, it's very helpful to have data associated with properties around it, or also completely different sets of data. For example, instead of the regular map, you might want to pull up the topography, or maybe you want to pull up the legal boundaries of industry areas versus residential areas. So currently we have a map right here on the right side that allows users, just like any other map, to pan, zoom in, zoom outs, and then also select the homes, the addresses that were assigned to them from the central server. On the left, you have all of those assigned parcel, properties, and home addresses that they're assigned. As well, on the bottom, you could go ahead and filter whichever you prefer to work on first. You could also change some configuration, or you could log in and out of the application. If we go into the Active tab, you'll see that the selected home not only shows the home's front image, but it also shows the floor plan. Currently, the application will allow you to change that floor plan and compute on the fly the estimated square footage to give a more accurate representation of what the assumed tax value is. Instead of also looking at this small field of information, you could start going into specific forms and start filling those out. Certain fields such as residential area are an actual enumeration rather than a text field. All of this is done to speed up the data entry form, the data entry process that each assessor has to do every day. Also, we know that the iPad, just like any other cellular device, may or may not have coverage while they're being used out in the field. So we've designed the backend and the client application as well to intelligently pull and push data on the fly as needed, and then also based on cellular connectivity. So if the client using an iPad is far away from any sort of connection, all of the changes are saved in a local repository, and then the moment they step into an area with connectivity, it's intelligently pushed out into the cloud, handled by the central server, and then pushed out to the King County's databases where everything is kept permanently and well documented. So this is, again, just purely a proof of concept demonstration. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at jbryden@cores2.com, or feel free to contact the company I'm working with, aXelerate.com. Thank you.